Hello and welcome to another Telekinesis video. Today we're learning how to do Aerokinesis with a new method. As you guys might know or maybe not know, for quite some time, around 4 months, I've been practicing a new telekinesis method. A method which is independent of emotions, independent of your connection to a certain object. That means that I can do telekinesis or any kind of kinesis without having a connection to an object. And so far I've been doing telekinesis only. But then I started experimenting with different objects and also with different kinesises. And just like with my guru method, where you have to connect to your object first, Aerokinesis is one of the easiest kinesises to learn there is. So today I'm gonna show you how to do that. And just like with my guru method, I like to practice with toilet paper. Toilet paper is very light, so any wind you see right away, especially on camera. I'm gonna have the toilet paper here. And now I'm gonna focus on the air around me, in my lungs, and around the object, okay? I can feel the air. If you don't feel the air, you can wave your hands around a little bit and you feel the air on your skin. If you still don't feel it, you can have a little wet hands and then you feel the air. The air is here. It's always present, okay? Now you just have to focus on this presence. Focus on this presence, and then you can control the movement of the air. Just like with a wave, you can push the air away. And now we're gonna try to do that with our mind, okay? So I'm focusing on the air on this side of the room, okay? I'm focusing. I can almost see it visually. I see particles floating around, okay? And then with one push, I can push the air away. Once you establish the connection to the object, to the air, once you are one with the air, you can move it around. Try it at home. Try it with the breathing method. 100% in, 50% out. Try with this technique and try the other one, and let me know in the comments below which one is easier. Thank you so much for watching.